If you want to make your photos look sharper and more detailed in Photopea, this quick method is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you how to enhance an image in Photopea using the high-pass filter, duplicate layers, and blending modes to create a clean sharpening effect without damaging your original photo. This is a super useful trick for portraits, product photos, thumbnails, and almost any image that needs a little extra clarity. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Photopea and load the image you want to enhance. Once your file is open, look over at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. You should see your image layer there. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to work non-destructively. So the first thing you want to do is duplicate your layer. Click on the image layer, then press Ctrl+J on Windows to create a copy. If you're on a Mac, you can use Command+J instead. This gives you a second layer to work on while keeping your original image safe underneath. Now with that top copy selected, go up to the top menu and click Filter. Then choose Other, and then High Pass. This is the key step that helps bring out fine details in your image. When the High Pass window opens, your photo will turn mostly gray, which is completely normal. Don't worry, that's exactly what should happen. What you want to do now is adjust the radius slider. As you move the radius slider, watch your image carefully. The goal is to make the edge details start to appear faintly through the gray. You don't want the effect to be too strong or too soft. For most images, a radius somewhere between 1.0 and 2.5 pixels works really well, but the best setting depends on the size and sharpness of your photo. If you're editing a larger image, you may need a slightly higher value. If it's a smaller image, keep it lower. Once you can see the important outline details peeking through without making the whole image look harsh, click OK. At this point, your image will still look gray on the top layer, but that's because of the blend mode. To finish the enhancement, go back to the top of the Layers panel where it says Normal. Click the Blend Mode dropdown and change it from Normal to Overlay. The gray effect will disappear instantly, and your photo will now look sharper, clearer, and more detailed. This is what makes the whole technique work. The high-pass filter isolates the edges, and Overlay blends that detail back into your original image in a natural-looking way. If the effect feels a little too strong, you can always lower the opacity of the top layer to soften it. That gives you more control over how sharp the final result looks. A lower opacity is great if you want a more subtle and realistic enhancement, especially for portraits. If you're sharpening a thumbnail or product image, you might want to keep it a little stronger so the details stand out more. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can enhance an image in Photopea and make it look much more polished and professional. Duplicate the layer, apply high pass, adjust the radius, and switch the blend mode to Overlay. It's a fast, effective sharpening workflow that works beautifully for a wide range of images. If this Photopea tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.